What's up, y'all? Excuse the outfit that I got on. I'm in the house, comfortable as usual. So what we about to do is we want y'all to come with us. Well, not come with us, but watch us make some spaghetti. Me and my princesses, my two girls. So what we do is I already got the water in a pot, and I'm gonna put a sprinkle of little salt. This is for the noodles. I'm gonna sprinkle a little salt. A little salt up in here.
Yeah, salt.
This helps the noodles from sticking. You don't need too much salt up in there. And okay, I'm gonna let Layla do the noodles. I had got this big old large pack of spaghetti. I'm gonna let both of y'all do it. I had got this big old pack of large spaghetti, noodles spaghetti because they didn't have the small pack. So we not gonna use ours. Come on, both of y'all come on, come on.
I can't because your shirt in the way.
And the eyes are not on, y'all. So even though they're in front of the stove, nothing is on. So I'm about to hand them the noodles. And all you do is break them in half and put them inside the pot.
What pot?
We already washed our hands. We already washed them in this pot with the water, girl. Break it in half. Break it in half. Break it hard. Ooh. Now put it up in there. Here, I'm gonna have to clean all that up. Here, we don't need too many of these. Here, like. Break it, girl. Break it. Dang.
They standing up.
Go, Lena, go.
I just made it pop.
Go, Lena.
Oh,
wait. Okay, get down. I'll clean them up, y'all.
I see all the things right.
Okay, y'all. So, I let them do that. I'm about to add a little more water up in there. We don't, like I said, we don't need that many noodles.
You don't need that many noodles.
Okay, so we making spaghetti. We got the pasta, tomato pasta, the tomato sauce, and the ragu. That light in the way. Too bright. Traditional sauce. And we use garlic. We use ground turkey. And go ahead and what you're going to do is go ahead and cut all your sauce open. Cut all your can of sauces. Cut them open. Not cut them open, but open it with a can opener. And, you know, with ground turkey, it don't be as greasy as ground beef. It don't be greasy at all with ground beef. And with my kids, when I'm making spaghetti, they don't like all that bell peppers, onion, and mushrooms. They don't like all that stuff. So I try to make it as plain, but we gotta have the season. We have to have the season. We just have to have the season, you know. So we want to get some seasonal. I'll sprinkle it up in there. I like this garlic rose. I like that. And I love me garlic powder. Honestly, I put garlic powder in everything. I love garlic powder. I put it in everything. Everything. And I use the fork. Nah, I got that up high enough. And You know, you keep seasoning it to your liking. You know, however you like it. And the noodles on the back pot cooking. And like I said, I don't use all that garlic. I mean that onions and bell peppers, because my kids, they are like so ticky, so ticky. So I don't do all that on it. But again, just keep seasoning it however you like it. Don't put too much because you don't want it too salty. The noodles is back here. You get you a fork and you just stir it around so it won't get stuck to each other and also to the bottom of the pan, because you don't want that. But the salt normally will help the noodles from getting stuck together. So yeah. Just keep on stirring up your ground turkey or your ground beef or whatever ground that you use. Just keep stirring it up until everything is brown and not pink. You don't want it to be pink at all. Okay, just keep stirring. Just keep stirring it up. And again, this is ground turkey. We don't eat ground beef, we eat ground turkey. And the noodles, when you cook the noodles actually don't take that long. Okay, you guys, so the ground turkey is all brown and it's seasoned pretty good to my liking. And this is the noodles that got done. I'm just gonna pour that in there. I know some people, they keep their noodles on one side and put the other one in there. I don't do all that. Okay. And turn it back out. So. Okay, now keep that. I'm gonna turn that eye down. You don't want it too high. You don't want it too high because it's gonna burn and stick at the bottom. So what you do next is you take your tomato paste and you just put it up in there. Your tomato sauce, hold it all up in there, just like that. I get 2 cans of tomato paste. And I normally get 2 cans of tomato sauce, but I normally get it in a small can. They didn't have the small can, so I got the large can, so that's why I only got 1 can of tomato sauce. So yeah. That's why I did that. And I do not like dry noodles. I can say dry noodles. Dry spaghetti. I like my spaghetti to be, I guess you could say soupy like. I like it like that. So we're going to stir that up like that. If they taste that, some this regular sauce. For the spaghetti. I bought the big size of that. Didn't need it. I normally get the small size, but again, they didn't have it. Only thing Walmart really had was all the big size. Okay, so right here we just gonna keep on stirring it up until everything is mixed. And again, you can add you a little pepper on top of there. Add you some onions, bell peppers, mushrooms. My mama loves some mushrooms in her spaghetti. add a little more garlic powder. Like he said, I love me some garlic powder. But until then, you just keep on stirring. Just keep stirring. Just keep stirring. And that's pretty much it. And I love some parsley, so I'm going to put that on top of it. Love it like that. This is a quick meal. And I don't have a large family, though. Yeah. So we just stir that in. Put as much of that you like up in there. And we have us a pan of spaghetti. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.